On this Mazak machine, we are going to see how to create a all backup on Mazak 730L CNC. We need to go to maintenance. We just entered the password, which is MAPA. Sorry, Empara, which is MPARA. Okay. So now we have all backups. Here you have to select the device. We're gonna do it manually, even though that we have the auto backup configured on this machine. We're gonna do a manual backup because we had to do a repair on the machine, and the auto backup is something that occurs just when you turn on the machine. So if the machine has been on for a while, like in this case we have the last backup we have from October last year, you won't have an actual or recent backup. So you can select also the memory card or the HD or hard disk, or in this case it's a solid state disk, and we're gonna create backup, and we have to press stop. It's already stopped. Let's hit input. Okay, let's hit yes. We are gonna overwrite the file. Yes. So here you have all the system data, including productions data like programs, tool offset, etc. You have the PLC project or ladder, and the PLC data as well. So now it's completed. So then you can do it on the external device. We can use the USB, that is either the USB or PCMCA format card, compact flash, and use that. Okay, thank you.